And our first winner is Nobio's Infinix. And it is a dental composite, and it is a game changer. It is a company out of Israel, and they have created an antimicrobial nanoparticle that mixed with composite will actually have a huge impact in dentistry because it will be able to eliminate secondary caries. And actually, they just got an additional 510K this week with a claim that's probably never happened that I know of, or is they actually got a 510K anti-caries claim in their 510K, which is near impossible. So very excited about this product, and you'll see it, I think, implemented in many ways over time. But their first product is a composite with the goal to be able to eliminate secondary caries, which, as you can imagine, is a clinical game changer. So congratulations to Nobio, and really well deserved.
I'm Erwin Weiss, Chairman, CTO, and inventor of this technology. Coping with the etiology of diseases is the ultimate goal of any medical treatment. And that was my dream many years ago when I started to design antibacterial dental materials. Infinix is a result of this many years of concentrated teamwork. Here, and for the first time, is a product that copes with the etiology of cavities, killing bacteria at the precise site of the disease. We are honored to receive this Best of Class award.